So dear students, this is second video of chapter 4 class 9th NCERT textbook. Here we will be talking about solution of a linear equation in two variables. In last video we have already studied about that if there is a linear equation in one variable like 2x plus 5 equal to 0, it has only one solution, x equal to minus 5 by 2. But if there is a linear equation in two variables, for example x plus y equal to 5, then what is meaning of solution of this linear equation? To try to understand this, here by solution we means find two numbers whose sum is 5. So you can have many such cases. For example, if you put x equal to 1, y equal to 4, then put these values in left hand side of this equation. 1 plus 4 equal to 5, which is right hand side. Therefore this is a solution. X equal to 1, y equal to 4 is a solution of this equation. Similarly, you can have other ways also, like if you put x equal to 6, y equal to minus 1, then also you can check that left hand side, put these values. In place of x write 6, in place of y write minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5, same as RHS. Therefore this is also a solution. Similarly, now can you think how many times this type of solutions can be obtained? Many solutions you can have. Even you can have unlimited number of solutions for this. Many solutions you can find. For example, another may be x equal to 22, then what should be y? If you take x as 22, what should be y? If you just think about this, so y 22 added to some number is giving you 5. So that number should be minus 17. So x equal to 22, y equal to minus 17 is also a solution. You can check like this in the same way. 22 minus 17 is 5 equal to RHS. So therefore finally we conclude that for a linear equation in two variables there are many solutions. A linear equation in two variables has infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. So note the pronunciation of this word. It is not infinite, it is infinite. That is unlimited number of solutions. A linear equation in two variables has infinite number of solutions. So this is the main concept in this chapter. You have to study for the second exercise. And now we come to exercise 4.2. So this concept you have to remember that a linear equation in two variables has infinite solutions. And how to find those solutions? Give any value to x, and then you can put that value here and you can find y. So now coming to exercise 4.2. First question. It is a multiple choice question. Which of the following options is true? Which of the following options is true and why? So here your question is y equal to 3x plus 5 as this is a linear equation two variable. This equation has, now there are given options. First is unique solution, Second option is only two solutions. And third option is given is infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So this is a linear equation two variable, and we have just studied that a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, this option will be correct. This equation will have infinitely many solutions, and there is a question why also. So why this can have? Because reason you can give y equal to 3x plus 5 will have infinitely many solutions because many pairs of x, y will satisfy given linear equation. So this is the reason you can give that why this equation will have many solutions. This was question number 1. Now we come to question number 2. Question number 2. Write 4 solutions for the following equations. For each of the following equations. First is given 2x plus y equal to 7. So in this question you have to write 4 solutions. What we are given? We are given linear equation in two variable, and you know that the linear equation in two variable has unlimited number of solutions, and here we have to find only 4 solutions. So see how to find the solution. First solution, to get the first solution you can give any value to x, any one value to x. That value should be a simple value, for example 1, 2, -1, 0. So putting x equal to 0, say this is equation 1 in 1. So put x equal to 0 here. So 2 into 0 plus y equal to 7, or 0 plus y equal to 7, or y equal to 7. So therefore x equal to 0, y equal to 7 is first solution. And this you can write in the form of bracket also, like 0, 7 is a solution. Similarly, we can go for the second solution also. Second solution, putting x equal to 1 in the same equation in 1. Put here x equal to 1. 2 into x, that is 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7. This implies 2 plus y equal to 7. Transfer this 2 on this side. So this implies y equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5. So x equal to 1, y equal to 5 is second solution, or you can say 1, 5. 2 more solutions are required. now put x equal to -1. Putting x equal to -1 for third solution in 1. 2 into -1 plus y equal to 7. This implies -2 plus y equal to 7, or y is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. So x equal to -1, y equal to 7, y equal to 9 is the third solution. Or -1, 9. In this bracket also you can write this is the third solution. Similarly, you can have one more solution because 4 solutions are to be obtained. To get the fourth solution, so fourth solution, give one more value to x, say x equal to 2 in 1, put x equal to 2 in 1, so 2 into 2 plus y equal to 7, and this implies 4 plus y equal to 7, or y equal to 7 minus 4, 3. So therefore x equal to 2, y equal to 3 is the fourth solution. So in this way this question is complete. You have obtained all the 4 solutions, and this you can also write in the form of bracket 2, 3. So this was linear equation was given to you, and then you have to find various solutions. So keep giving the values to x, and then you will get a linear equation in one variable. Simply you can solve it for y. In this way find all the required solutions. Now come to the second part of question number 2. Question number 2, second part. Pi x plus y equal to 9. This is the equation. Here you have to find 4 solutions for this equation also. In the same way as we have done in the first part, putting x equal to 0. Because when you put x equal to 0, calculations become very easy. So pi into 0, no need to put value of pi, but retain your answer in the pi also. Equal to 9, pi into 0 is 0 plus y equal to 9, or y equal to 9. So x equal to 0, y equal to 9. This is first solution. Now we come to next solution. Next solution is, now we put x equal to 1 in 1, pi into 1 plus y equal to 9, pi into 1 is pi, so pi plus y equal to 9. So transfer this, you will get pi equal to 9 minus pi. So x equal to 1, y equal to 9 minus pi. This is the second solution. Similarly, proceeding for third solution. So now putting x equal to -1 in equation number 1, this equation, pi into -1 plus y equal to 9. Pi into -1 will become minus pi plus y equal to 9, and this implies y is equal to 9 plus pi. So x equal to -1, y equal to 9 plus pi. This is the third solution. And in the following the same method, we can get one more solution. Let us put now x equal to 2. Putting x equal to 2 in 1, pi into 2 plus y equal to 9, and this implies 2 pi plus y equal to 9. Solve for y equal to 9 minus 2 pi, therefore x equal to 2, y equal to 9 minus 2 pi. This is the fourth solution. So in this way we can find four solutions. Here in such questions you have to be careful that answer given at the end of the book may not tally, because what values you have taken for finding the solution may not match with those values based on which the answer is obtained. Therefore this is also your correct answer, and all these values you can check. Put these values in the given equation and you can check the correct answer. So answer may match or may not match. So that's all in this video.